Do you love bacon? Well, if you read the title of this video and you clicked it, I can only assume that you are a devoted bacon lover. What's more, you want to enhance your inner bacon. Or you just want a few simple recipes that involve bacon. Either way, it's cool with me. Bacon is the cornerstone of many breakfasts and lunches, from the popular pancakes and bacon to the famous BLT. Did you know, though, that bacon can actually help your health? Or that you can make a candle that smells just like bacon? I'm Mike with List25, and if you're curious about some interesting things you can do with this wonder food, keep watching. You'll discover the 25 most surprising ways to use bacon. This way's better. Floppy bacon. Crispy sucks. And I know Tristan's going to add something because he gets this last, so he always gets the last word. But, yeah. #25. Bacon salt. You can use bacon salt on your eggs, salad, or to put a little zing in your mashed potatoes. The process is rather simple. Just fry up some bacon and mash it into bite-sized pieces. You then mix it with coarse salt, put it into a salt grinder, and presto, bacon salt. #24. Bacon beer cheese dip. If you're looking to impress people at your next Super Bowl party, here's the dish for you. It's got all the right ingredients: cheese, bacon, chips, and beer. Come on, you can't go wrong. #23. Chocolate pound cake with bacon bourbon frosting. One may not think of bacon as a dessert, but no one's judging here. The saltiness of the bacon complements the sweetness of this dessert quite decadently. #22. Candied jalapeno bacon grilled cheese. Warning, this ain't your mama's grilled cheese. The spiciness of the jalapeno and the gooey cheese and the bacon are sure to make your taste buds go into crazy overload. Great, now I'm hungry. #21. Bacon pecan brittle. You only need about 8 ingredients for this sweet and salty dessert. Bacon pecan brittle is crunchy, sweet, sometimes a bit chewy, depending on how you like your bacon, and absolutely delicious. #20. Bacon muffins. Muffins are a great invention. They're considered a breakfast food, but they're also a dessert. What? Dessert for breakfast? And now mixed with bacon. What a delight. Oh, this is not a great list to do on an empty stomach. Oh boy. Oh no. 19. Baconed parm popcorn. If you're looking for a good movie night snack, you may want to consider baconed parm popcorn. You cook it the same way you would cook regular popcorn, except you use bacon grease instead of regular oil. 18. Bacon flavored tortilla toast. Here's a homemade recipe. Use an ample amount of bacon fat to coat a pan. Then add a pre-dusted tortilla with paprika and other seasonings. Cook the tortilla until it's nice and crispy, and enjoy a great snack. And save some money too. You can also use chopped slices of bread in the same way for homemade bacon croutons. 17. Bacon gum. Now they have thought of everything. You can find bacon-flavored bubble gum on the market. Now you can enjoy the sweet taste of bacon and not have to do any cooking. Don't swallow it though, it's still gum. 16. Bacon for a longer life. It's true, you can live longer by eating bacon. This discovery was made by researchers at ETH Zurich. Bacon has a ton of niacin in it, which helps lower levels of bad cholesterol in the blood. However, like any food, even ones that are beneficial, it's probably not best to eat a pound in one sitting. 15. Bacon hangover cure. Did you pile on one too many last night? Or perhaps you went heavy on the bacon vodka? Don't fret, because bacon can make that hangover headache go away. According to researchers at Newcastle University, the amino acids in bacon replace the neurotransmitters that are wasted during drinking.
14.
A bacon fire starter. Looking to start a campfire? Did you know that you can use bacon grease? The grease is flammable and will make your next camping trip smell delicious. Oh man, I wish I had that when I went for camping in the woods. That would be great.
13.
Bacon latte. Attention coffee and bacon lovers. Now you can combine your love for both in one delicious drink. Enjoy it anywhere, whether it's on your way to work or in the comfort of your home. I'm just kidding. There's nothing in here. I don't know if I'd try that. Let us know in the comments below if you would try a bacon latte. Oh, God.
12.
Bacon greens. Hey, Mom and Dad, are you having difficulty getting your kids to eat their veggies? Try adding some bacon fat to the dish. The taste will have your kids asking for more. You can also try wrapping a slice of bacon around asparagus for an extra treat. My mom never did that for me. Kind of hate vegetables. Maybe this is why. Didn't have bacon vegetables.
11.
Homemade PB bacon dog treat. You love your dog, right? Then give them a treat that'll make their tails wag. Make them some peanut butter bacon dog treats and watch them do that belly up wiggle dance on the floor. Aw, pups are best. They're so great. I didn't even speak proper English there. This is how amazing dogs are. I'm losing the ability to speak. Unlike dogs who can speak. This is getting stupid. I'm done with this number.
10.
Bacon cologne. Yeah, you heard that right. There is a cologne that'll have you smelling like bacon. So if your next date works at, I don't know, IHOP, maybe it's the perfect scent.
9.
Bacon jam. When making this tasty jam, it's suggested that you cut the bacon before cooking it. It'll cook faster. Bacon jam will go great with a little cheese and crackers. And oh, I have had bacon jam on a burger. It's, oh, so good. I want a burger today.
8.
Bacon dippers. If you're looking for a delicious on-the-go breakfast, then you are sure to love bacon dippers. Okay, picture this. Pancakes and bacon combined into one. Oh, the flavor. You can close your mouth now.
7.
Maple bacon fudge brownies. I've already established that bacon can go with almost everything. But if I had to choose the ultimate life mate partner of bacon, it'd probably be maple. When you take a bite of maple bacon fudge brownies, you'll easily taste why.
6.
Bacon vodka. Yeah, I wasn't kidding when I mentioned it earlier. Making vodka is a pretty lengthy process. However, anything homemade will be worth it if it's done right. Many people rave about bacon vodka, but as always, make sure you drink responsibly.
5.
Bacon candle. They seem to have a candle with every type of scent nowadays, don't they? So it should come as no surprise that they have a candle that smells like bacon. If you're looking for a DIY activity, you can also make your own bacon candle. There was also one at White Barn, Bath & Body Works, that had a candle that smelled like pizza. It was awesome. I love candles.
4.
Bacon mayonnaise. Also known as baconaise. To make this, all you do is substitute bacon fat for the oil in mayo. This does take work because you would be making your own mayonnaise, or baconaise, from scratch, but your tuna fish sandwiches will taste amazing. Oh, Baconaise is so good. So hungry right now. I'm getting food after this.
3.
Use bacon grease for flavor. Before you do any cooking in your pan, add some bacon grease instead of oil. You'll taste the flavor of bacon on all of your meals. This works especially well for making omelets or other egg-related dishes.
2.
Bacon as a diet food. I had to put another food item on here because, come on, it's bacon. This item is pretty high in fat content, and you probably already knew that. However, bacon is actually part of a keto diet. You just have to stick with eating 1 or 2 slices. Yeah, that's a tall order when it comes to those floppy, salty slices of deliciousness. It says crispy, but I'm not reading that, because I don't like crispy bacon. Although, floppy, salty slices of deliciousness is not really what I wanted to say, but I did, and here we are. So, this is my life now.
1.
Removing a splinter with bacon. Getting a splinter sucks. Removing it is no picnic either. If you want a less painful way to do it, just cut a small piece of bacon fat, wrap it around the splinter with a Band-Aid, and then remove the Band-Aid in the morning. The splinter should come out with the bacon fat. If it doesn't work, just cut another piece and try again. So, what is your favorite bacon-related recipe or use for bacon? Let us know in the comments below, and also let us know why crispy sucks. So, or tweet at us at list25. Bye! Oh, there's going to be so much added Tristan footage to this video. I can just see it.
Enjoy.
Mother idiot. You I don't even know.
Enjoying our lists? Be sure to click that subscribe button on the bottom right and the notification bell so you don't miss out on new ones every Monday through Friday. Share them with friends and help us consistently conciliate curiosity. And if you want even more lists, check out these videos here or just head to our website at list25.com.